Hello students, I'm going to discuss about few introductory topics regarding business and analytics. Uh, in the first class, we have discussed about few things about decision making and data analysis process. We discussed some examples also about business analytics, the need. We can find different examples, whether it is hospitals, hotels, or any business institutes. We need analysis of the data. Data may be large, data may be heterogeneous, homogeneous. So, as a whole, we need to analyze those data for our business so that we can gain information by analyzing quantitatively so that business can earn profit. So there are many software to analyze the data, or we can say do business analysis. We can see in day-to-day exercise we use Excel, Microsoft Excel. There are lots of features added in Excel which can be used to analyze the data. There are lots of add-ins involved in Excels. Um, there can be new add-in or an add-on can be added, like precision tree, neural tools can be added. So there are lots of softwares exist other than Excel also to evaluate or to analyze the data or information. So to build those in software or to run an algorithm to analyze the data or analyze the information, we need some models. Here you can see the term model has already appeared in this text of this chapter. So models and modeling process are key elements for this course. So model is an abstraction of a real problem. So we can visualize the real problem using different types of models. One example is graphical model. Here you can see there is three entity: supply, demand and payoff. So calculating the supply and calculating the demand, we can arrange the payoff of a company. So to analyze the payoff or to know what amount of payoff can be generated, we need to analyze the data about supply, we need to analyze the data about demand. Here you can see that the essence of the problem is that the company will order a certain supply, customer will request certain demand, and the combination of supply and demand will yield a certain payoff for the company. So this is a basic graphical model of a system, or we can say a business model. So through which we can analyze the problem or we can devise the solution. There are another model like algebraic models, spreadsheet models. Okay, now few things about algebraic models. Here you can see there is an equation. Now what this equation means, here you can see here xz xz here xz is the amount of product z produced, amount of product z produced. usa is an upper limit on the amount of product z that can be produced. pj pj again repeating, usa is an upper limit. Here you can see for xa the upper limit is usa, upper limit is usa. Amount of product, the z amount of product z can be produced. pj is the unit profit margin. pj is the unit profit margin for product z, means for each product there will be that amount of profit. aij is the amount of resource I consumed by its unit of product z. So each unit of product z can consume some resources to produce it. That will be, suppose ith resources used, then ai is the amount of resources used. ai is the ith resource used to produce the z product, okay, amount of z product. And bj is the amount of resource I available. So bi is the amount, bi is the amount of resource I available. Here is the bi. N is the number of products, n is the number of products, and m is the number of scarce resources, maximum number of m number of scarce resources present. This algebraic model states very concisely that we should maximize total profit, okay. Subject to consuming no more its resources. Look at here, subject to consuming no more of each resources than is available. That is inequality. First one is the expression, second one is the inequality, and there is another inequality, that is production quantities should be between 0 and their upper limits. Here you can see this is the upper limits. So using this algebraic model we can analyze mathematically by training the data to find the maximized profit for a certain business. So this is one of the examples I have to discuss with you today in this video, that how can we create models, different type of models, to analyze or to understand the business, to create the profit in the business, to analyze the data, to analyze the information. There is another one, spreadsheet model also. Kindly go through it. This is your homework. What it is, how we can achieve profit or we can minimize the loss. Okay, this is another model. Using this process also we can devise our plans. In next video, we'll discuss about a 7-step modeling process. Okay, that will be in the next video. So this is all about for this video. Please go through these topics like these models. What are the models? What is the use? What can we achieve? Okay, so that's it. If you have any doubt or if you want to ask anything about this topic or you want to discuss something new about these things, then please meet me over the Google Meet at the time slot on day 3, that is tomorrow. Time will be 11:05. Thank you.